Hi my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today we are planning in my wellness planner, which is It's Your Year to Shine for the week of 17th through the 23rd. And today I'm participating in the sticker challenge from For the Love of Planners. And I'll link the Facebook page and the Instagram page down below so you can go ahead and follow that group. It is a new amazing group. I hope you're able to join us for this challenge. And so basically what it was is pick one of the original books that Happy Planner came out with and use a single book and make a whole spread out of that book. I picked the book known as 1829, which is now the Planner Basics. And I decided to do something similar to a rainbow. Not quite. I'm going to use a color in each of the columns, so you'll see how that turns out. And I started with page flags, and that will be actually my meal tracking. And there's 5 circles, but actually if I do it this way, I can do breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, calories. And then underneath, I leave some room to write my medicine and vitamins for the day. So I think that will work quite nicely. And there's a banner on one of the pages, so I'm just going to put weekend, and I'm going to coordinate the colors that are on that page. So I'm going to use the pinks and the oranges and the reds. And I have found little page flags that say steps on them, so I can include that as well. And I don't necessarily like this right in the middle of the page, so I'm gonna go ahead and move that down right at the line. And I'm having an issue finding a coordinating one for that lime green, or like the Granny Smith apple green. So I will later come up with something else. But for right now, I'm going to look for some more decorations in that book. Since I'm only allowed to use that one single book, I'm going to try to use it to the best of my ability. And I found stickers with gem. I most likely will go to gym on Friday night as well as Monday. So I picked a pink one to coordinate the color and a green one to coordinate the color as well. And I'm going to grab all of those hydrate stickers and put them on the bottom of each sheet. Of each column. And they don't really coordinate in color because all of them are teal. However, I'm still planning to use them. And I think that might be okay since it's right at the bottom of a page. Hey you guys, I'm not doing too bad with putting my stickers crooked today, huh? Usually I'm horrible. Okay, and then things to buy, I put a little grocery list. I'm just gonna move it to the other side. And as I'm doing that, I'm kind of thinking ahead of what I'm gonna put for decorations that have matching color. And I decided to put another purple on the other side to bring over that color. And then I'm gonna use a dark green arrow for that Monday where I don't have a matching arrow with steps. And we're gonna place that gem on top. And now I can solely focus on decorating my spread. So I'm gonna pull out stickers that match from all over this book. And I just want to make sure that the colors match, but at the same time that what I'm doing kind of correlates with how this matches. So we have that green, apple green color with Get It Done. And then I heard naps, which is so silly. Friday is going to be pretty busy for me, so I might be thinking about naps. And I have girls' night. Hello today in purple. So I'm just gonna be going through the book and pulling stuff out. I don't see too many teal stickers, so I put Live a Colorful Life. And I'm just gonna be placing stuff kind of all over the place, so enjoy watching that. I hope you enjoyed this challenge. So these challenges are created to make our lives easier. And if you don't know what you're doing for the following week, or you're overwhelmed with the amount of stickers you have to choose from sometimes, like I am, this will be easier and you will have prompts every single month. We're going to be doing a challenge for this group, and then you'll be able to join and use hashtag for the love of planners in your posts on Instagram. And you can post on our group on Facebook as well. We're very, very excited to have you join us.